Hey y'all, welcome back to FlyafterFifty, no spaces. I'm Fly.D and I am back with another video. Y'all, I was playing with some makeup and decided to record it. So if you want to see this get ready with me style video while I'm putting on new and old makeup, just keep on watching. Y'all, I'm just putting on makeup and I decided to turn on the camera because I am using some new stuff. So let's go. My face is already moisturized. For my primer, I'm using this Gucci Serum Beauty. This is not new, but I am going to be using this in a video comparing it to something else. I wanted to say that they're good. Alright, so make sure you subscribe so you don't miss that. This feels nice and smooth and soft on the skin. So it's Saturday. We're just getting some things done because we're going out of town. Going to see the grandbaby. Very fun and very nice. Alright, the foundation I'm going to be using is new. It's not a new foundation, but it's new to me because I wanted to try it after trying that Maybelline one. And I think it was Maybelline. Let me see. CoverGirl. I wanted to try it after trying this CoverGirl one and liking this so much. And if this is great at the drugstore, I wonder how this one is. So this is the Chanel. It is the Beiges Water Fresh Complexion Touch. That's what it looks like in a box. It's very tiny. I mean, you normally get 1 fluid ounce. This is 0.7 fluid ounces. So this is what it looks like. And I have mine in BD 121. Yeah, that's what I always get theirs at. Has a little pump. But they also give you this little teeny brush to put it on. So I guess I'll try this and see what it does. I don't know. My primer's been setting, so it should be good. I don't really think you gotta shake this up. It's not moving or anything. So open it up and put a little bit on my hand so you can see it. That's how it looks. So it's little droplets of color inside a serum or water. Yes, inside water. I'm gonna use this little one, mash it together, I guess, and start applying it. See it right there? This is gonna take freaking ever. I mean, definitely giving you some coverage because they have another one like this, but I forgot the name of it. I'll put it in here. But that one was lighter coverage than this. So I wanted something with some coverage. After applying them, I'm gonna use a sponge to go over it because this little thing, I don't too much like it. Does spread the product. It is good for that. But I don't feel like I have equal coverage around my face. So that's what I'm doing. It looks good though. That's pretty. I'm tired from using this little thing. Alright, back with the sponge here. I'm just gonna go over it like that. That's on my hand. Well, isn't this pretty? To do that. Alright, so far, me like. Alright, so let's go ahead. I'm just gonna, these are new, so I want to try these e.l.f. concealers. Alright, let's got that on. Let's blend that in. Sponge is kind of, I think this is the Groovy sponge. Just look at it. Got shape. It's angled right here. It's flat right here. Rounded. But it's like sloped. Alright, I blended that as best as I can. I put way too much. I should have dot. Instead of slip. Now I'm gonna set my under eye with this Cherry Blossom Cake loose powder by Huda Beauty. So I'm just setting wherever I put the concealer. Alright, there it is. That. I don't think I was supposed to put this all on my face. Oh, too late. Now I'm going to be using Charlotte Tilbury's bronzers. This is her cream bronzer in Deep number 4. And this is her powder bronzer,
also in Deep number 4.
Alright, now for blush, also from Charlotte Tilbury, I'm using her Beautifying Face Palette in Medium Deep. Pillow Talk Medium Deep. Now that this is sprayed, I'm just going to go off camera, do my eyebrows, and come back. Alright, y'all, I'm back. I just finished my eyebrows. I used the NYX Lip and Snatch and Fill and Fluff. And for the gel, the Patrick Ta one. And I went in with my eye primer. Today I'm using the Pat McGrath eye primer. Anyway, for my lips, y'all, I love these lip colors from Lunar Beauty. It was from their last collection. What's that one? The mermaid one. I'm using Pink Pear today. But these are all like cool. Let me show you some swatches. These are all cool tones. But they're beautiful. I would have never thought I would want cool tone on my lips. These are beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. And they're not harsh on the lips or anything. Like a lot of mattes can be. Matte liquid lipsticks can be. So yeah, I'm using Pink Pearl. And I feel like it has some kind of oil or some moisturizing something in here when you put it on. So I'm gonna let this set, and if I need to, I have this About Face lip liner. Is this About Face? Blow, I can't see. But that one. Right. So I'm gonna let this set while I'm doing my eyeshadow. First of all, I'm using Singe Beauty's brushes. I really like these brushes. They're not too big. They don't feel bulky in the hand, and they're good for hooded eyes. So now to the eyeshadow. I'm going to be using Ensley Rain's Groovy Garden. I got this a couple of weeks ago, but one of the colors was smashed. So I contacted them, and they said because I got the insurance, it would be easy. And they sent me a new one. It was this one right here that broke. But this is very nice. It has 2 rows of mattes, and then there's shimmers, duochromes, whatever they are. They came out one before this, and it had, I think that one had 2 rows of shimmers. Anyway, I like this one because that other one was really dark, and this one has some a nice range of mattes that you can go from light to dark with them. So this is what I'm going to be using today. Not going to be doing any, I'm just going to do some music in here while you watch me use it. Well, y'all, that is it for this video. This is my finished look. I have to say I like the way it came together. Thank you so much for watching, and until I see you in another one, stay fly, sis.